All right, real quick, can I just tell us the earnings because
Absolutely.
it's I mean, if they don't know, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, and Google will be reporting
Oh,
this
baby.
week. You hear this? Check the stat out, Ian. Those four stocks, right? Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, and Google.
Yep.
They represent 20% of the entire weight of the S&P 500. Just those four companies. Absolutely ridiculous. So let's run it down. Obviously, Tesla reported today. They beat earnings. Some quick numbers on Tesla. So for the first time, they reported 1.1 billion in a quarter, right? So they produced over 200,000 vehicles, and they did over 800 million in their energy business. So all my Tesla folks and my Tesla enthusiasts, I'm sure when you were looking at CNBC after hours and saw the stock go up, salute to you. Hopefully it can be on an
I
uptrend.
told you. Yep.
I told you so. Tomorrow, damn, half near my portfolio is going to be reporting. So UPS, Apple will be reporting, AMD will be reporting, Microsoft, Visa, Teladoc, Google, Raytheon, and the company you spoke about, 3M, when we were tying it into Apple byproducts. They'll be reporting. On Wednesday, Boeing, Shopify, Facebook, PayPal, ServiceNow, McDonald's. And on Thursday, my company, Amazon will be reporting earnings. And they were obviously in the news today with those Bitcoin talks. They later have denied that they were getting involved in Bitcoin this year. I'm going to put a quotation around this year. But they did put out a search for somebody to be an executive in the crypto digital currency space. So they put out a posting for digital currency executive, and that sparked rumors. Obviously, we saw Bitcoin run up to 40,000. It's peeled back. I think when I last checked before we started Market Monday, it was at 37,000. So they'll be reporting on Thursday, as well as Twilio. And you mentioned them. You said top 3 cloud services. You had Amazon. Said Twilio, and I have Skyworks in there. I'm not sure if people have been paying attention to Skyworks and SMEs. It's a company to keep an eye on. And then Friday we got P&G and Caterpillar. So those are, I mean, it's a huge earnings week. So those are the companies that we're looking at for sure. And obviously, like I said, majority of my portfolio will be reporting this week. So there you go.
Yeah, amazing. So yeah, one last gem. Put yes in chat if you guys have heard of a FICO score. Have you looked at investing in the company FICO itself, the stock? Look at the chain, dig deep. Whenever a shot hits you with a, well, yeah, he ready to go. So I'm not going to keep you out too much longer.
Talk about that. Talk about the FICO. I never heard about that situation. Talk about that.
Because, I mean, if you look at FICO, any tool that measures and tracks how Americans are spending, and because credit scores are really a debt analysis tool. Right now, FICO is at 539, but during last year, it got to a low of 186. So with housing going crazy, spending going crazy, Visa doing well, who determines if you get a credit card or any kind of credit lent out to you? Fair Housing, Fair Isaac Corporation, is a big component of that. So if they are the ones that are dictating who will get lines of credit, you probably should invest in the person or the entity that is allowing people to get these credit lines and credit cards and mortgages and things of that nature. So if you look back 5 years ago, the stock was at 109.77. It's at 539.94 now. Probably in 3 years, it'll be at 783. I don't want you guys to be like, yo, it's too expensive. But when it hits 1,000, you're going to be like, damn, I wish I would have got into it. So look at FICO, especially when the economy is booming. That is a nice stock to invest in when the American economy is rising. FICO is the
FICO the ticker.
Yeah, they paid it as the premium, I'm assuming, for that. But yeah, put that on your watch list. FICO.
Real quick, Ian, I'm gonna give an ETF that I've been watching kind of silently. I haven't told you about this one. I haven't told Shadi about this one. IETC. Quick thoughts. I don't like the volume, but the growth has been pretty good. It obviously has amazing holdings. Amazon's in there.
Growth is great.
Yeah.
You found
Microsoft, Apple, Amazon.
Write that down. Yeah. IATC is great. Yeah, and some of you have been asking for NVIDIA at 175.04 and Square 202.52. But IETC is damn, you found a sleeper for real. 57 bucks. I think that what SPLG that was mentioned 2 weeks ago. That's a good tandem.
Shh. Everybody here, shh. Okay. Keep it on your list.